Hi guys, if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back.
Let's go.
So today I'm going to be giving you guys a sketchbook tour of my first 2 sketchbooks, so let's get into the video.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So this is the first drawing in this. Now, I forgot what these are called, but these are so fun to draw. I love how everything is all symmetrical, and also they're really calming to draw and colour in as well. So the next drawing I did is a redraw. I actually saw this somewhere online and I thought it was so nice, so I just thought that I would give it a quick redraw. Now this was back in the day when I was drawing every single day to try to improve my art as much as possible. I don't really like the hair that much, but I think the face is okay. There's a lot of things that I would have done different now, but I think it's cool. So this is an eye that I drew. I actually redrew this later on, which you'll see, which I did it so much better than next time, and you'll really be able to see how much different tones of pencil make a difference to a drawing. But I still really do like this. It's just a bit basic and the lashes are a bit straight. So this is the next. I actually this one actually took me so long. I think it turned out really good. I really not too sure about the shapes of the lips, but I think the nose is really good. This was like one of the first things that I drew in realism, so I was really excited that it turned out as good as it did. So this was the other eye that I was telling you about. I'm still not too sure about the lashes. I definitely could do the lashes better and the same as the eyebrow, but I still really like the actual eye. So just let me show you a quick comparison. So it went from that to that, so I think it's much better. So yeah, this is the end of that sketchbook. So at the time I was obsessed with trying to draw Disney characters. Again, this was every day, so yeah, I really like this Pinocchio, but I'm not too sure about him. I don't know what he's doing. He's quite awkward position as well, so I'm not really too sure about that. This is actually one of the cutest drawings I think I've done so far. It's actually a redraw from somewhere online. I just typed in Dumbo and it was so cute. It is so cute. So the next drawing is Gus Gus. So this again I'm not too sure about, but I think it looks cool. Personally, I'm not really too obsessed with drawing Disney anymore. I think it's a bit boring for me anyway, so I kind of went far away from that. So this picture is from the 4th of the 7th 2018. This was when I first started drawing every single day, and again I like the eye. I feel like it could have been better, but I really love this. This is so cool. It's actually done in charcoal as well. That's how I got everything to be so dark. But yeah, this is really cool. Again, that's another redraw. A lot of the pictures in these sketchbooks are redraws, as at the time I was trying to find my style and what I liked to draw, what I didn't like to draw, so a lot of them are just redraws. This is yet another redraw. Now I actually really like this. The only thing that I'm not too sure about is the forehead shape, but I really do like this. I think the hair is nice. I really like the face. I love the hat as well. The hat I think is the best part about this. But yeah. So this is the next drawing. This is another redraw, and this is actually one of my favourites. I'm not too sure about the shape of the fingers, but as you lot know, I'm obsessed with this sort of space pattern, and also this is one of my favourite draws I've done so far. I also really like the quote as well. So this is the next one. This quote I actually just found online, but this was obviously already made. I really love these styles of drawings. I think they're so cute. I really want to have like quite a few of these in the frame. This is the next. Now I really am not too sure about this. It's meant to be like a hand holding up different palettes over the forest. I don't really like it, to be honest. It's not my best, and I don't really like that part either, but I think it looks okay, and it helped me a lot with like the shape of the hands and stuff, so it's not my favourite, but yeah. So this is the next. This is actually one of my favourite drawings I've done ever. I really like this. This is like my favourite style of drawing as I learn. This is a redraw. I found it on Pinterest. If I can find it again, I'll leave the link not in. If I can find it again, I'll leave the link in the description, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to because this was last year. This actually took me 2 days. I really like it. There would be a few changes that I'll make now, but I really love the nose. Like, that's my favourite style of nose to draw, especially at the minute. And also I love all this around the head as well. But yeah. So this is a doodle page. So I actually have this doodle up here, which I think is so cute. I love them types of drawings as they're really easy and quick to do. And I have that one. I actually preferred this one to that one, but I think they're both really cool. Then I found an eye on the internet and I thought they was so cool, so I decided to draw it. Then we have another one of those little sketches. Then we have my first try at, what's it called, calligraphy. And then we have 2 other little sketches and a little love heart. So this was actually done the day after I went to go see Winnie the Pooh, and they said this quote quite a bit, and I really like this quote actually. So that's why I decided to do this with it, and I was actually super proud of that, as this was the second time I was doing that. So this is another drawing. These were actually 2 separate drawings, so that was one and that was one, and then I just decided to put them 2 together, and I really like how it turned out. The meaning behind it was meant to be like you can look all pretty and glamorous and stuff, but once you take all of that, you still have your inner demons. That's where, because I wanted to link that. If you couldn't tell, I love to draw eyes. So this is probably the drawing I'm least proud of. I really don't like this one. This is meant to be 6'9" as a woman, but I really don't like it. I mean, the 6'9" is pretty cool. Like, that is just, I don't even know what. Like, I hate that so much. The nose, I do not like. The eyes, okay. The wing is a bit too much, but I think it looks cool. And then the lips, I don't even know what I was thinking. So we're going to move on very quick. So this is just my favourite Marilyn Monroe quote. I believe everything happens for a reason. People change so that you can learn to let go. Things go wrong so you can appreciate them when they're right. You believe lies so you eventually learn to trust no one but yourself. And sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together. This is the last drawing in this. I really like this. I did like the white marker. I don't really know if you can see it on the camera, but it says stars can't shine without darkness. And I think this is a really cool piece. I would actually love to frame this and put this on my wall, but I really don't have space at the minute. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a like. If you're not already, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!